Yeah, good morning everyone. This is a presentation from Srinivas IAS Academy located at Bengaluru, and today onwards we are to solve previous year's CSAT questions which appeared in the previous year's papers, and accordingly you can see the question, how to solve in a quickest manners, how to read the question, what is being said, what is being asked, and how to solve within 1 minute. Yes, thank you. Come back. If you may contact us for online and offline classes as well across the country. Right. Come back to the session now. Now see that this question was appeared in 2020. That's the last year question. This is last year question. The difference between any two natural numbers is 10. See the difference. The difference between any two natural numbers is 10. See, what can be said about the natural numbers which are divisible by 5 lie between these two numbers? See now, the difference between any two natural numbers is 10. The difference between any two natural numbers is 10. The difference is 10 between any two natural numbers. Normally what we can do, any two natural numbers, even you can start, yes, 1 and 11, difference is 10, 2 and 12, 3 and 13, 4 and 14, like 5 and 15, 6 and 16, and so on. Right. See, difference between any two natural numbers is 10. That's right. So there are many possibilities. You can see that. What can be said about the natural numbers which are divisible by 5 lie between these two numbers. Which are divisible by 5 lie this between two numbers. So divisible by 5, you can see 1 and 11. What are the numbers we'll see between 1 and 11 which are divisible by 5? 5 and 10. So if we take 1 and 11, you can see that is 5 and 10. There are two such numbers are possible. Okay. If you take 2 and 12, what are the numbers between 2 and 12 which are divisible by 5? 5, again 10. So 3 and 13, see again is a 5 and 10. So if you take like 4 and 14, 4 and 14, so what, 5 and 10, there are two numbers. Let us take 5 and 15. 5 and 15, what happens? Okay, here only one number, 10. Right. There are two numbers here. If we start from 5 and 15, 10 is. Because this first number and last number is also divisible by 5. There you can see the one number. Let us take like 14 and 24. So 14 and 15 is divisible by 5, 20. There are two numbers. If we take 15 and 25, only 20. It means sometimes one number, if the first number and last number is divisible by 5, there will be one number between the two numbers which are divisible by 5. If Other numbers you can see the 2 factors will be there. It means what are the options? There is only one such number, you cannot say there is only one such. This is not correct. There are only two such, only two you cannot say, one also is possible. See that there is only one such number. No, there are two also possible. There are only two such numbers. One only means you have to see that is right. This is also not correct. There can be more than one such number. Option C is the appropriate one. Option C. See that you get the answer. Choosing the option is more important here. It's like that. The topic is what? Natural numbers. We discuss about today only the natural numbers. Next. Consider the first 100 natural numbers. Consider the first 100 natural numbers. Consider the first 100 natural numbers. How many of them are not divisible by 2, 3, 5, 7 and 9? See that. Again the last year question. Exactly the last year question this is. Consider the first 100 natural numbers. First 100 natural means what is the numbers we can write? 1, 2, 3 till 100. See that ellipse. Okay. Right. This first 100 natural numbers. How many of them? There are 100 numbers. How many of them are not divisible by any one of 2, 3, 5, 7 and 9? How many of them are not divisible by any one of? Not divisible by. Yes. How many?
25.
25. Why 25? 25 option is not.
22, sir.
22.
Because 26 prime numbers are there.
25 prime numbers.
Other 21. Answer is 21.
Prime numbers, number of prime numbers are what?
21.
Prime numbers are 25.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right.
And then minus 4, sir. 3, 5, 7, 9.
Here one, this is also prime number, this is also prime number, this is also prime number. Okay. Minus 4 you can take. It means take 21. Okay. 21. Again is a 9 is a composite number. Okay, 9 is a composite number. Even it can be, see what happens, you can see that 25 minus 4, 21 is right answer that is. There are, see, prime numbers are 25. Prime numbers are 25. That can be divided by itself and 1. It will not divide any other number. Right. That is okay. And already which are not divisible by any one of 2, 3, 5, 7. 25 minus 4, 21. But 1, what about 1? 1 is not a prime number. Because prime number starts from 2.
Sir, they are asking any one it should not be divisible by those numbers.
Any one of these 4 numbers. Yes.
1 is also not divisible by 2.
See, okay, 2, 3, 5, 7 is okay, that is. Not divisible by any other number.
By any one of them, sir. 1 is divisible by 2.
Sir, 1 they are not mentioning, sir. They are only mentioning about.
Allah, natural numbers are 1 barutala.
When you say talk about natural number, 1 also will come. That's why 1 to 100.
20, sir.
Yes, 1 to 100 that is. Okay, 1 to 100, how many of them are not divisible? Any one of those numbers, 2, 3, 5, 7. So prime numbers will not divide any other number. That's the main thing that is. If you take the prime numbers, 25. 25 the numbers which cannot be divisible by any number. That's right, 25 is okay. And minus, already these 4 numbers are there. Minus 4. You can say 21. What about 1?
Minus 1. 20.
Minus 1 or plus 1? See that. See that. See, is plus 1 or minus 1?
Plus 1.
Plus 1. Why it is plus 1?
1 is also added, no, sir.
1 is also added. That's what I am telling. 1 is also added like that.
So 22.
Yeah, yes. You take plus 1 also. Totally is what? 22 such numbers. See, plus 1 or minus 1. You can see, put ourselves into a very panic situation, that is. So, very simple. And see that there are 25 prime numbers. 25, it can be already 4 numbers are here, minus 4, 21. 1 also is included. So, that when you talk about the prime numbers, so we don't talk about 1. We talk about 2 and onwards. So, that is a 21 plus 1, 22 is the right option. Right. And that is a option.
I didn't know that we have to add 21 also, sir.
Yeah, you see, I don't say you do not know. You know. Yes, just like that is. Because this session is very important now. All these days, what we did, aptitude and everything, everybody will do. Some more you will get, people will not. This is very important. You know the answer, but choosing the option is tricky one. Like this time, one new statement is included. This time in the sense last year paper. Even 2 options also not required to answer the question. They are adding some 2-3 new concepts every time. If you see the trend, that is. Yes, next. And a natural number n. A natural number n. Let's write n is a natural number. Okay. Right. Is such that can be expressed as 9 equals to p plus q. 9 equals to p plus q plus r. 9 equals to p plus q plus r, where p, q are distinct factors of n. N is a natural number. This is a natural number. N is a natural number. So these are the what factors? Distinct factors. This is a factor. Q is a factor. Right. Distinct factors of n. How many numbers below 50 have this property? What we need to know, we do not know. Let's see that. Let us take one you cannot. There are 3 factors are required. Definitely. 1 you cannot take. You don't consider 1. Even 2, 1 plus 2. Even 3 is not possible. 3. So 1 and 3. Factors of 3 is what? 1 and 3. 4 factors are 1, 2, 4. Factors are for 4. You can take 1, 2, 4. This is the 5. Okay. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 4, 7. That becomes. Right. 5. Even if you take 5 factors, 5 is what? 1 and 5. 6. 6, that is 6. What are the factors for 6? You take 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay. See the sum of the p plus q plus r. 1 plus 2, 2, 3, 3 plus 3. It means you can say therefore 6 is equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3. So this will qualify. This is the property. Again, it's a perfect number. I discussed in the number system when I was talking about numbers. So the perfect number, this is perfect number is what? So like that. 6 is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3. But how many such numbers below 50? Below 50 have, that is. It means you can take, for example, take for our learning sake, I am telling. And you can see if you take 7, 7 is a prime number, don't consider. 8, if you take is 8, 8 is what? What are the factors of 8? 1, 2, 4, 8. Do you get 8 equal? 1 plus 2, 3, 4 is not possible. 9, what are the factors for 9? 1, 3, 9, no, you will not get. 10, you will not. 11 is a prime number, don't take. 12, let us take 12. 1, 12, 2, 3, 4, 6. That's it. Okay. And say that you will get 12. Where do you get 12? Leave 12. 1, 2, 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. It means 12 is equals to what? 2 plus 4 plus 6. Okay. Now can you see the 6? 12 is the multiples of 6. 12 is the multiples of 6. 2 is the multiples of 1. So I'll write here, see that. So that now 12, what are the factors for 12? For that, based on that required properties, 2, plus 4 plus 6. 6 into 2, 1 into 2, 2 into 2, 3 into 2. It's like that. Again, if you take like that, 6 into 3 is 18.
8, sir.
Yes. This is becomes 3, 2 into 3, 6, 3 into 3 is 9. It goes on like that.
Multiples of 6.
Multiples of 6.
Till 8.
But below 50, 50 by 6, there are 8 such properties are there. It means what? 6, 12, 18, 24, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 properties. So right. That's the thing. But 6 is a perfect number. What is the definition of perfect number? The sum of the factors of the number whole divided by 2. That's a property. See that how the questions are being designed and asked. Right, next question number 4. Again it's a 25. See that all latest questions I have taken. This is how many possible values of P plus Q plus R? P plus Q plus R. Yeah, good morning everyone. Right. Now you can see how many possible values of P plus Q plus R satisfying P, Q are natural numbers, not necessarily distinct. Not necessarily distinct, so that why it is
So
like this.
satisfying 1 by P plus 1 by Q plus.
Is given.
Satisfying 1 by P.
Satisfying 1 by
P.
3.
P.
1 by P. 1 by 1 minute. 1 by P
Plus 1 by Q.
Okay.
Plus 1 by R.
1 by R
Equals 1.
equals 1. Oh, right. That is a question. See, you have to correct the question here. The question is that 1 by P plus 1 by Q plus 1 by R is equals to 1. Right. But how many possible values? This one. See, right. And here you can see that is just for the question has come. Let me say something about it. And now we can see, for example, see 1 by 1. We know 1 by 1 is value is what? 1. Right. You have to make it off. It means denominator multiplied by 2. Like equals 1 by 2. Like that. And denominator multiplied by 2, that becomes 1 by 4. When denominator multiplied by 2, 1 by 8. Like 1 by 16. The off of the numbers like this. It goes on like that. Again the same way, 1 by 16 plus 1 by 16 is 1 by 8. So 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 is 1 by 4. Even 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 1 by 1. So it's 1 like that. This is the very, when the denominator is multiplied by 2, you are reducing the number to the off, 50% of that number. It's like that. Now let us come here. What is the thing this is? Now we can see 1 by 3 is not necessarily distinct.
1 by 1.
Not necessarily distinct number. You can also take
1 by
1 by 1
plus 1 by 3 plus.
that's right. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3.
1.
This is the 1. So one possibility you can take.
1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus
Yes, 1 by 1.
plus 1
No,
by
1 by.
No. That becomes 3. If you take 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1, that becomes 3.
Only one.
When the denominator is common, numerators can be added. 3. So this is not correct. Yes. This is a less than 1. 1 by 1 is equal to 1. It should be less than 1 only, because the here resultant number is what? 1.
Only
So only 1. 1 by 1 is not possible. 1 less than 1. It means only proper fraction you have to take. Now another thing is what? Let us take 1 by 4. This is equal to 0.25. Again 1 by 4 you cannot necessarily distinct. So plus 1 by 2 you can take. This is another possibility. Yes. What is another possibility? You can see that. Yeah, 3 possibilities. That's right. What is another possibility? Yes, Prashwal, will you take what is another possibility? What is another possibility? 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6. You see, check it out. It means 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6. LCM we take 6, 2 and 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 by 6 is not happening, no? No, it's not correct. So not this one. Yeah. What is another option you can say? Yes, Prachwal, you can answer that is what is another possibility? You said 3, no? What is another possibility? Yeah, one more possibility is possible. It just, what is that number? 1 by 2, 1 by 4 we have taken already. Yes, next. 1 by 3, 1 by 6, 1 by 6 is not possible. Yes, next.
Sir, 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6.
I write here 1 by 6 plus. There is one more possibility, check it out. If you take 1 by 4,
1 by 6 plus
pardon?
1 by 2.
Pardon?
1 by 3. So 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3.
Plus 1 by 3, na? Yes, okay.
1 by 2.
Plus 1 by 2. Right. If you take this one, correct it, prove it. So 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2. What is the LCM? 6. 2, sorry. 1, this is 1, no? Plus 2 and plus 3. See, 6 by 6. Yeah, 1 by 1. That's right. Wonderful. And this is right. So there are 3 possibilities. Option C is the right one. Yes. Good. Like that should happen. Okay. Right. Now it's a fixed one. This is okay. Yes. Next one. So everything you have to solve in a very logical manner. That's what I want. Now the question number 5. This is the 2010 serious questions. Most of the times they take questions in the CSAT. Serious questions will appear. Because that even serious paper is also set by the UPSC board only. Right now we can see the product of a rational number. See the product of a rational number and a rational number is So what is rational number, what is irrational number?
Rational number is in the form of P by Q where Q is not equal to 0.
Okay. So that is a rational number is about P by Q. Q is not equal to 0. Right. What about P?
P natural number.
Yeah, you need to know that.
It should be greater than Q.
Yeah, every book is given like that only. You see, every textbook it is given like that only. But what are P? Whether P can be written as a 0?
Natural number.
Natural number. No. So, yeah, that's why the confusion starts. You'll see. By P, any integer. P can be any not natural number. So, P can be any integer. Any integer. Any integer. It means 0 is also possible. 0 is also possible.
Infinity is rational number, sir.
No.
Anything on the number line.
Yes.
Anything on the number
1 by
line is integer.
Yes. See, any integer, even 0 is also possible. That's why it is not equal to 0. Here you can say integers may be minus negative integers or positive integers, except thing that is non-negative integers. Here, that is the thing. Okay. And now we can see examples if we take like that, even like 1 by 2, so 3 by 4, even 0 by 1, in 0 by 11 is also possible, etc. is also possible. So P can be written even as a 0 also, any minus values, even minus 1 by 3, so minus 3 by 9, so even 9 by minus 3, 7 by minus 4 is also possible. Anything is possible. P is any integer. See that, keep it in your mind. This is notes, you have to make the point for this. Tomorrow question may arise here. So far it is not asked. It may be. They go depth, very bottom, grassroots, root level they see that. P can be any integer. In a sense, P also can be written as negative integers, 0 or positive integers. It's like that. Q is not, but everybody knows about Q. Because that is standard, every maths teacher will talk about that. This is the one. And next you can see here a rational number. What is a rational number? See, that is a thing. Anything in the, see, here we need to know here, but we don't so much, but I am telling you because the topic has come, let me say that is, what is a rational number, what is an irrational number. This is rational and irrational number. Rational number in the form of P by Q, already you said that is, okay, P can be any integer, Q can be, is equal to, not equal to 0, right, that's the thing. And what rational numbers means, you can see even, but any natural numbers are also rational numbers. You make that point somewhere. You put in the box and write. Any natural number.
All natural number.
Any natural number can be a rational number. Put in the box. Any natural number can be a rational number.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir. You said rational number are 0 by 1 also.
Yes.
When you divide 0 by 1, it will be 0, no, sir?
Yes, the answer is 0. Resultant number will be
It
the.
cannot be natural number, no, sir. Because 0 starts from 1.
No, it's not talk about 0, integers. It talks of integers. If you take 0 by 1, resultant number is 0 only.
It is 0.
0 only. Very clear.
Any natural number can be a
Rational number. Because
Any rational number can
you can convert into a fraction. See, natural numbers are what? Like 2, 3 and so on. No? But you can convert into fractions. No? 2 by 1, 3 by 1 and so on. That's why it's a rational number and so on. So that is the thing. That is the thing, that's why. You can convert into a fraction. Like if nothing is given means what even we write also at the time of taking LCM or SCF, the 4 is given, we write 4 by 1. It's a rational in the form of fraction, in the form of P by Q. Even if a natural number is what? Counting numbers. Definitely. For example, 9, 7 means, you add means, see, now 2, 3 is there. What is the sum of 2 and 3? 2 and 3, we know that's 5. But you have to prove it means what? How do you prove? Only with the help of LCM. Then you have to take this by 2 by 1 plus 3 by 1. Again take the LCM. LCM is 1 only. 1 by 1, 1 into 2. Again this is 3. 5 by 1. It is a 5. It's like that. So that's a rational number. Rational number in the form of a fraction. Rational number nothing but is a fraction. So any natural number can be converted into here like that. Any the whole number also can. We can also 0 also can be written as like that. Yes. And rational numbers are what you can say. Say for example 10 by 3. 10 by 3. So what is it? 10 by 3 is a rational number. Very well. Okay. You can say 10 by like 3. 3 3 is a 9, 1.0. 3 3 is a 9, 1, and again the 3 3 is a 9, 1, 3 3 is a 9, 1. It will goes on. It means 3 is being repeated. So 3 is being repeated. Any repeating non-terminating is a repeating always is a 3.3333 is also a rational number. Okay, right. What is irrational number? The best examples always you have to know.
It cannot be written in the form of P by Q. In the sense root.
Fraction. It cannot be written in the form of fraction. But how? Best example for irrational number is pi. Best example for the irrational number is pi. That's only you have to remember. Everything you cannot remember. See for example 22 by 7 is an irrational number. 22 by 7, though it is a fraction here, but actually it is an irrational number. So why? Because see 22 by 7, see that 7 3 is a 21, 1 remainder, decimal take like that, 10 ones 7 ones 7, 3, 7 4 is a 28, and 2, 7 2 is a 14, 6, 7 8 is a 56, 4, 7 5 is a 35, remainder is what? 5, again 49, again 1, it will go, 1 means again it will start. Okay, it means non-terminating, non-repeating. Non-terminating digits or non-repeating digits is known as irrational number. Irrational number, that is it. This is the definition. You can also write that is. So best example for this what? Pi. Best example for this is what? Pi. So irrational number is what? Non-repeating, non-terminating is known as irrational number. The best example for irrational number is what? To check for ourselves is what? Pi. 22 by 7, it looks like a rational number because in the form of P by Q only, but it is a rational number. Pi cannot be a rational number. Again, see this is a property of pi, the property of rational number. So right, the product, yes.
So 22 by 7 rational number.
No, that's right. That's what I'm telling.
Then
it looks fraction. It looks like a fraction. It looks like a rational number, but it is an irrational number.
Then exceptions for definition of a rational number.
The definition of rational number is repeating and terminating and repeating digits.
Then we cannot say P by Q, which can be written in the form of P by Q for rational number definition.
Yes, because that is the one is the answer is like that only. If you look at like, that's why if you immediately if you look at it, that is becomes a rational number. but actually it's not a rational number. If you go like this, say
rational number means which
rational numbers means repeating digits. There must be a repeating decimals and terminating. Any fraction to that by. Though it is in the by P by Q also, it is like that only. That's why the best example for us to know immediately within a fraction of a second is pi. Pi means what happens now? You keep doing it, even board is not sufficient, that is. Again same, that never ends at all, this is. Like even for example, say 10 by 3. 10 by 3 is a rational number. Why? Because you will see repeating the same digit again and again. So that's why it's a thing, that is. You can take another, if you see, if you take even 5 by 2, if you take 5 by 2, I think it's a rational number only, because that resultant number will be 2.5, it will end up, that is. This is a rational number. And this is the thing, okay.
For rational numbers, it will be repeating also.
Rational numbers repeating the same digit or terminating. It will close. It will close.
It should repeat or it should terminate.
Irrational number, vice versa. Non-repeating, non-terminating. This is, you need for CSAT purpose at least. Yes. And see, this is a 2010 question. This is I have taken. This is. Because sometimes, most of the times in my flow, I may be missing many things to tell also. If you look at the question again, I will have an opportunity to tell, like that, explain. The product of a rational number and irrational number is always in an irrational number. Option B. Option B. Why? Because you can take, what is a rational number? I told you already, any natural number is an irrational number. If we take 2 into 22 by 7, like that. So always like that.
One more scenario, so 0 by 1.
0 by 1. Yeah, it is a rational number.
Into 22 by 7.
Yeah, you can take any form. You can
So
take.
that time it will be 0, no, sir. Again,
Value becomes 0.
that time it will be a rational.
How? This is 22 into 0 is what?
0.
0. By
1.
7.
0.
Yes, sir. Anything, it is still a rational number, no, sir.
Which one?
0 by 7.
No, 0 by 1, what you can say that this is a irrational number, right? This is rational number. Rational number into irrational number is what? Now 0 by 7 is there. Okay, this is a rational number. So that logic you are applying, that is. So I have to check it out, this is. This particular.
That time the answer will be rational number.
Like that you are telling, that is. Okay. So if you take 0, then I will check this property, this. I will not check it here. This I will check it out. You note this point somewhere, I will check it out. If possible, I will tell tomorrow, that is. Okay. If they take a rational number like this, that becomes the value will become a rational number. Like that's what you want to say. Yes. The only thing is I will check it out. This is okay. Yes. Make a note of it. This one. I will try to explain tomorrow. This is. Normally, what happens now? So always you can say that, sir, but I will check the property for this. Any irrational number. Okay, I'll check the property for this. Okay, but actually, as a rule, like that, this is only the product of any rational number into multiplied by irrational number is what? Irrational number. I'll check the property for that particular one. Okay. Yes. Next one. Right. Now, see, this is also serious question, 2009. If we divide a positive integer by another integer, what is the resultant number?
Rational number.
It is always a natural number, it is always an integer, it is always a rational number, it is always an irrational number. If we divide a positive integer by another integer, what is the value? If we divide a positive integer, let us take even 1 also, okay, by another integer. You take -1, 0, or you can take 2 also, like that. It is always a natural, it is always an integer, it is always a rational number. Rational number, that is. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Why it is rational number?
Sir, you can also try positive integer can also be 0, no, sir?
Yes.
When you try.
Even if you take even this integer 1/0, this becomes what? 0.
Again 0 by 1.
0.
1 by 0 infinity.
Infinity, okay. But what is the result you can apply?
Sir.
1/0 you cannot do that is. Alva? Yes.
It's not a break agada.
Yes, we cannot write that is.
Sir,
Okay.
take 0 by 1, sir. Positive integer is 0, no, sir?
Positive. 0 is not positive. No? 0 is not positive integer. 0 is an integer, that's all. 1, 2, 3, 4 positive. -1, -2 negative. 0 is just an integer. That's why I said a positive integer by another integer. It's like that. Then what happens this here? It becomes 0.5. So what is a rational number or integer? What are the things, sir? Natural number definitely is not natural number. It is always an integer. You can check that. It is always a rational number. There you can see the irrational number. This is also not correct. Which is B or C? C. Right. No, it's not natural number. Right. Yes, next. A number n is divisible by 6 but not divisible by 4. Which of the following will not be an integer? See that.
N by 12.
See n. Let us talk. What is the n? Is a natural number. A number n. Okay. Divisible by 6. Divisible by 6 but not divisible by 4. So it means 4 should not happen. Just like that we write. That's what the question says. Option is not written. No? What is option? You see that?
N by 3.
This is n by 3,
N by 2.
n by 2,
N by 6.
n by 6,
N by 12. Answer is N by 12.
n by 12. Why it is n by 12?
Sir, 6 you can, it is a 4 prime, sir.
Yes.
2 and 3, sir. It can be divisible.
Yes, 6 is a multiples of 2 as well as 3. 3 and 2 LCM is what? 6. Okay. Let us not take option A, option B. Even we can, between C and D we have to see that.
But divisible by 6 is given in question, sir. So that also can't be taken.
Yes. n by 6, why it cannot be taken a 6?
N is divisible by 6 and the particular, sir.
Yes. Yes. N should not be divisible by 6 but not divisible by 4.
Sir, N by 6 is already 6 can be divided, N can be divided by 6, no, sir.
Yes. If it is 6 by, for example, 6, if it is this is divisible by 6, 6 can, n can be also 12, no?
18.
See, what is a n? What is the value of n? What if you take this divisor is 6, what is the value of n?
Sir, take 6,
It can be 6
take 6, sir.
multiples of 6. 12, 18, 24 and 30 and so on. All these numbers are multiples of, so it is divisible by 6 but should not be divisible by 4. Now this is cannot be divisible by, this is divisible by 4.
Not divisible.
This is not divisible by 4. Okay. And this is divisible by 4. This is not divisible by 4. Then n by 12 is the right option.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Your answer is right. But only thing is I am asking logic. That's all. Okay. So multiples of 6. N can be the multiples of 6. When if you take multiples of, n can be 6 also. But it cannot be divisible by 4. You can take this one. Okay. Right. That is the thing. And okay. See, there is no much calculation in these questions. You know. But here you can expect in the statement 1, statement 2. Right. Now we can see way back in 1999 question, this is the right, but I have taken the concepts, you know? There many concepts were not included in CSAT so far, so that I went to these questions back. Now the product of two numbers is 192. The product of two numbers is 192 and the sum of these two numbers is 28. What is the smaller of these two numbers? What is the smaller of these two numbers? But let me talk to you, but how do you download the information from the given question?
Option.
No, option, okay, but say leave it that option, but how do you download the information from the question? How do you write the equation for this question? The product of two numbers is 192. Product of two numbers is 1 into y. X into y. X into y is equals to what? 192. You should write the equation. X into y, product of two numbers. And the sum of these two numbers is 28. It means x plus y is what? 28. Now what is the smaller of these numbers? What is the smaller of these numbers? Then how do you see that? What is the smaller of these numbers? This is the equation. We need not to look back at the question at all.
xy equals to 192.
xy equals to 192.
Y equals to
X plus y 28. This is given. What are those numbers?
12 and 16.
12.
16.
Okay, by options also you can check one thing. You can also check by options also. What is the smaller number, he says. What is the smallest in the option? 12. Okay, 192 by 12. You can see
Sir, or you can
12
28 minus 12, sir.
16. Okay, right. This is the thing. 1. And if you take 14, 192 by 14, 16 into 2 already got it, and answer already got it. See, you can take smaller number is what? 12. This is 12 plus 16. Yes. The option A is the right one.
Yes, sir.
Option A is the right one.
Because that is the smallest. in the
Smallest here.
So it-
If that doesn't suit, if this will not satisfy, and you have to go to the next highest one, 14. Okay, that can be done. Right. Yes, next one you can take option A. Right. Now we can see question number 9. If x and y be two real numbers, if x and y be two real numbers is what? Any number is a real number. That's like that. Any number is a real number only. All natural number, everything is a real number. Real number starts with a real number only. It just taking divisions, natural numbers, whole numbers will come. Right. Anyway, so and x plus y is 8. X plus y is what? 8. Then greatest value of xy is xy, x into y. What is the greatest value of xy? What is the greatest value of x into y, xy? No? Right, okay, fine. X plus y is 8.
It is not x into y, sir. It is xy.
xy means what? X into y only.
Sir, meaning, so for example, x is 1,
Ah.
y is 7.
Yes. Okay, options let us take here. Okay. 1 and 7. Yes. 2 and 6. 3 and 5. 4 and 4. 5.
Same repeat.
Same repeat, getting repeated. No? So always you can see 4 multiplied 4. This is the largest value you would see.
6.
Like anything. Like for example, 1 into 7 is what? 7. 2 into 6, 12. 3 into 5, 15.
16.
4 into 4 always is a 16. 16 is the largest value. So option A. Option A. That is a property that is. Next.
Right.
Is yes, Srini Kallur, that is 16 is the right one. 4 into 4 is 16. That's right. That is a property, always you can keep like that. And see the next question, if a plus b plus c plus d equals to 1, a plus b plus c plus d is 1, then what is the maximum value of 1 plus a into 1 plus b into 1 plus c into 1 plus d is? Okay, 1 plus a, let us take for 1 plus a. It means, it talks about the maximum value. Maximum value means what you take here, a plus b plus c plus d is equal to b, distribute equally. 0.25, 0.25, 0.25, 0.25. It means a plus 1 plus a. 1 plus a is what? 1 plus 0.25 equals to what? 1.25. Or you can take, but options so unable to copy properly. Yeah, will you tell the options? What is the options?
Option A 1. Option B 1 by 2.
1 by
2
to the power of 3. Yes.
3 by 4 to the power 3.
3 by 4 to the power of 3.
5 by 4 to the power 4.
5 by 4 to the power of 4. No? Yeah. Those who are on online, no, correct the equation because unable to copy from the question. That is okay, right? Now we can see one. Now we can take one. It means 125 by 100. 25 also 25 fours are 5 by 4. 5 by 4. But 5 by 4 to the power of 5 by 4 into 5 by 4. This is 5 by 4. This is 5 by 4 into 5 by 4. 5 by 4 like. It means 5 by 4 to the power of 4 to the power of option, right.
0.25 is to 1 by 4.
0.25
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
A plus b plus c plus d is equals to 1.
So 4.
Maximum value distribute equally. 0.25, 0.25, 1 is already here. 1 plus 0.25, 1.25, 1.25, 1.25, 1.25. 1.25 is equal to what? 5 by 4. 5 by 4 to the power of 4. Okay. Now, the number of times 2 is used while writing the numbers from 1 to 100. 1 to 100. I think you should tell me now. 1 to, 1, 2, 3 to 100. Number of times 2 will appear. Number of times 2 will appear. Yes. Prachwal, right? You are right. Okay. How many times do you write 2 if the numbers are written from 1 to 100? It means that is not 19. I do not know. Let me check. Most of the things I forget that is. Right. That is not the way of writing.
So 20.
20. So now I do not know. So let me check that. Okay. Fine. So you say 19, you say 20. I'll see here. What to do? See, put a box like this. Put a box. 100 means 3-digit number. Yes, it is. This is the hundreds place, tens place, unit digit. Okay. 2, how many? Where do you write 2 in the unit digit? 2, 12, 22, 32, 42, 52, 62, 72, 82, 92. 10 times you write. And tens place, where do you write? 20 to 29. 20 to 29. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. 10 times you write. You are writing only up to 100. So you don't see 2 in hundreds place. 10 plus 10, 20 times you write. Option C. Any digit you write 20 times. Except in the case of 0. Right. Option C, yes. Now, how many numbers less than 1000 are multiples of both 10 and 13? How many numbers less than 1000? It means you write 1, 2, 3, 4. You write like this. Don't see the question again and again. You will go mad. First you have to download the information. What is being asked in the question? What is being asked in the question? How many numbers less than 100, 1000? Less than 1000 means you can write up to 1999. Okay. Multiples of both 10 and 13. Multiples of both 10 and 13. Multiples of 10 and 13, a number should be divisible by 10 as well as 13 means what is required to do here? What is required to do here? A number is to be multiplied by 10 as well as 13. What is required to be done? No, LCM. A number which is to be multiplied by both the numbers, then what is required to do that? LCM. What is the LCM of 10 and 13? What is the LCM of 10 and 13? 130. What is the largest number we wanted to do? 999. 999 divisible by 130. Right. How many times you can take 130? 10 times, leave it. 9, if you take 9, 90 is, I think 9 times 9 option is there. 9 into 0, 0, 9 3 is 27. 11, I think it is not correct. Next to what is the 8 is there? 8, no, it's not possible. Take 7. 7 into 0, 7 3 is 21. 9, yes, 7 times is a possible. Or you can take multiples of 130. Multiples of 130, 130, 260, 390, 520, okay, and 650, 780, 910. See, there are like 7 numbers, right? So like you can division, you can do the division. Writing like this is the proving. It's the proving. Yeah, 10 into 13 LCM is 130, fine. So, now, on January 1st, this is CSAT 24 question, 2024 question this is, okay. And on January 1st, 23, right, on January 1st, 23, like a person saved ₹1. And January 2nd, 23, he saved ₹2 more than that of previous day. On January 3rd, he saved ₹2 more than that of the previous day, and so on. At the end of which date, with his total savings, a perfect square as well as a perfect cube. Right. That is number, perfect square as well as a cube. What is a perfect square as well as a cube? Immediately, which number is possible? Which is a square as well as a cube? A square number as well as a cube. Which is that? Huh? 1. No, after 1. Because see, after 1, what is the next number? You take the squares of number. 1 square, okay, let us not take 1. 2 square 4 is not a cube. 3 square 9 is not a cube. 4 square 16 is not a cube. 5 square is 25, not a cube. 6 square 36, not a cube. 7 square is 49, not a cube. 8 square is 64, it is a cube. Okay, so 64 square number is equal to 64. This is, it means this is the 4 cube, this is 8 square. Right? So it means which dates it will come, that is how many days? First. What is the on the January 1st he saves rupees how much? 1 rupee. And what is the next? He saves 2 rupees more than the previous day. 2. Right. Again, 2 rupees more than the previous day. This is all 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is what? 5. 5 plus like 3 plus 5, 8.
2 rupees more than the previous day and 3 rupees.
First day 1 rupee.
Previous day
Second day 2 rupees more than the previous day, 3 rupees.
Sir.
They already the 3 rupees. On the next day 3 rupees plus 2. 5. 5 plus 2.
7.
2 rupees being increased every time, na? Every day. 7, yes. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. You can take up to 7 January it take.
3 per 1 plus 3.
Okay. If you write like this is the first day.
2 rupees more.
What is the second day? 1 plus 2.
3.
It becomes what? 3. Yes. Next, 3 plus
2.
2, 5. Yes. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. So 13 plus 2, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. You have to put up the total now. So what is the 1 plus 2? Sorry. 1 plus 2, the 1 plus 2 is what? Second it will become what? 2 rupees more than that, no?
3 rupees agutte, sir.
Yeah, 3 rupees, okay. Again plus 3 plus 2, 5, correct? No.
No, sir. Correct ಇದೆ. 17 rupees save ಆಗಿದೆ ಈಗ.
Yes.
Still ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು.
What is the total money? That should come to 64.
Full 64 ಹೋಗೋವರೆಗೂ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಸರ್.
What you put up the total now? Because dates are you can see 7 January, 8 January, 9 January. Up to 7 January you can check. You cannot write full. Which date is possible?
Sir, 7th January you get 13, sir, answer.
7th January you get
13.
13. Okay. I think it's not sufficient. 8th January.
Not possible, sir. Answer.
15. Then what happens now? 15. Do you get the answer for that? 8th January?
No, sir.
How do you get
8 January 50 rupees save ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
See. January 1. What is the money saving?
1 rupee.
1 rupee. January 2.
3 rupees.
2 rupees, no? That becomes what?
3 rupees.
3 rupees, yes. And January 3, 3 plus 2.
5 rupees.
5 rupees, yes. January 4,
7 rupees.
5 plus 2, 7. And again January 5 is what? 7 plus 2, 9. Till let us take 6. This is a 9, 9. 9 plus 2 is what? 11. 7. 11 plus 2, 13. Now put up the total. 4, 9, 16, 25, 26, 36, 39, 49 it will come. You have to put up the total money, no?
Sir, is savings scale.
Savings only. Today you save 1
Sir,
rupee.
is saving just 2 rupees each day.
What about the money? You are spending of that money?
ಅದೇ sir.
No. Say, I am telling you, see, today you save 1 rupee. Tomorrow you will save 2 rupees. What is the total money then? 3 rupees.
ಅದೇ ಬಂದಿದೆ sir.
That's 3, but what about the total? Second day you will have 3 rupees. Today you will have 1 rupee. Tomorrow you will have 3 rupees. Day after tomorrow you will have 5 rupees. What is the 3 days total?
Sir. Sir, ಇಲ್ಲ sir, save ಮಾಡಿ sir. ಹಂಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ see if I am saving.
No. See, you are saving 13 rupees on the 7th day. What is the cumulative money? 13 rupees you save on the 7th January. But what is the total money up to January 7th?
Sir, perfect, sir. Whatever you said, correct, sir.
ಅಲ್ಲಿಗ January 3rd ಅವನು 5 plus 3 8 rupees plus 1 9 rupees ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
No, see.
ಅಲ್ಲ sir.
Yes.
Simple.
No, see.
Sir, I'll speak, sir. Wait, sir. Please wait, sir. Sir, simple. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 8th ಬರೀರಿ, 8th ಡೇಗೂ ಬರೀರಿ ಸರ್, 8th day.
8th. 8th day, this is 13 plus 2. This is 8th day,
15.
person is saving 15 rupees.
Now you add 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15, sir. You get 64.
64
Which
rupees.
is 8th January.
8th January, sir.
Actually answer. Takes some time.
See, if you want to see in detail what I can say, I'll tell you that is here. And January 1. What is savings? January 1? 1. You write here. I will write here also, you can see that is. Yes, Ram, you see here, I'll tell you. January 1 what? 1 rupee. Cumulative savings. How much cumulative savings? 1 total. On January 2, what is savings?
2 rupees more.
2 rupees more. 2 rupees more means what? 1 plus 2 is what? 3. Correct? 1 rupee. This is what? 3 rupees. 1 plus 3. Already 1 rupee is there. Second day, you are earning 3 rupees more.
2 rupees more. 3 rupees more.
2 rupees more than the previous day, but what is the total saving will be with you?
Alla sir, January to not for cumulative savings sir. Ikkade barivaga.
No, cumulative only we want.
Okay sir, ikkade barivaga 2 baribekala sir.
No, this is okay, no? What is the cumulative savings how much? Already you have 1 rupee. Today you are saving 1 rupee. That will go to the bank deposit. Tomorrow you will save 3 rupees. That goes to the bank deposit. What is the total savings will be with you? 4 rupees. And third day is again 3 plus 2 is 5 rupees. 4 plus 5, that becomes 9 rupees. And fourth day, this is 7 rupees. 9 plus 7, 16, and goes on. And goes on. Okay. So where do you reach 64? You need to know. Or you can see 7th January, then 8th January, 9th January. Right. That is. Did you get this answer? What is the option? Option B. Option B is the appropriate one. Now, a person X wants to distribute some pens among 6 children A, B, C, D, E and F. There are 6 children A, B, C, A, B, C, D, E and F. Suppose A gets twice the number of pens received by B, 3 times that of C, 4 times that of D, 5 times that of E and 6 times that of F. What is the minimum number of pens? What is the minimum number of pens X should buy so that the number of pens each one gets is an even number? So everything is an even number, and see that will you try to solve? This is some additions and things are there. Yeah, try and solve this question. Little additions, subtractions is there. It's a puzzle type question. It's a puzzle type question. Okay, I will do it. Right. There are 6 children, namely A, B, C, D, E and F. Right, A, B, C, D, like let us see the information. What information is provided in the question? A gets twice the number of pens received by B. A gets received by twice the received by B, then A gets is what? 2 into B you can take, and 3 times that of C. A gets twice the number of pens received by B, 3 times that of C, or is equals to 3 into C you can take. Okay, 4 times that of D equals 4 into D, 5 times that of E equals 5 into E, and 6 times that of F equals 6 into F. 6 into F. And what is the minimum number of pens you need to, one has to buy, that is, I can say.
Sir, answer is 147.
Answer is 147. Okay, how did you get this? How did you solve this? May I know that?
Yes, sir. Sir, I took the question says A gets twice the number of pens received by B.
B, yes.
So A becomes 2A. So
No, 2B.
next I'll convert everything to A, sir.
Okay, all right.
So you write.
Okay, I'll write here.
Write the, sir, how can I write, sir?
Yes. Come.
I don't know.
If it is comfortable, no, you just.
Sir, I don't know whether it is correct. I will try.
Fine, no problem, whatever it may be.
A plus twice the B, no, sir.
2B.
2B, but I have taken it as A only.
Fine. Okay, all right.
Plus thrice the
Of C.
So
3.
3A plus 4A plus.
She has converted everything to A. Okay, let it be like that.
Plus
6 times.
6A.
Yes.
So when you add, sir, you get 21A.
Okay, how many A's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6A, no?
1, 2, 3, 4.
6, you write?
6.
You erase this, I'll take this bunch. 6A plus, right, 6A plus 2 plus 3, 5 plus 4.
Sir,
No.
Better, sir. Sir, A common you take, sir. 1 plus.
Fine, okay, all right. Yes, you have taken like that.
5 plus.
Plus 6.
So 21A.
Yes.
You will get, sir.
Fine.
Final. So then they're asking which one when X divides. Each one, it should be even number.
Yes.
So what I did is, I took the option, sir.
Yes.
I divided 20. So when you multiply this, you have to get this number.
Yes.
Sir. So now 300 divided by 21 I took, sir. But you won't get the answer.
Yes, because of the odd number is there, right? Okay.
So I did 147 divided by 21. So it will be 7 3s are 21, 7 2s are 14, 7 1s are 3 1s are 3 7s are. So here 21 into 7, if you do 147 you will get 7.
Yes. Odd number into odd number is an even number like that.
ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಲ್ಲೂ even number of pens distribute ಆಗಿರಬೇಕಂತೆ. Distribute ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ A B C D ಗೆ.
It will come now
It
because
will
see,
come now.
it will
Get
add.
divided.
But total pens is required how much that is?
I did the total number.
You can also divide separately also.
ಸರ್ A ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಸರ್?
Yeah.
ಇವಾಗ A ಆದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ? A equals to 7
See.
A equals to 7 you have to do 147.
Total 147 is required.
ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ what is the minimum number of pens
One has to buy.
so that the number of pens each one gets is an even number. ಸರ್ ಇವಾಗ 4 pens ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
There how many people are there?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಇವಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 4 pens ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
Yes.
ಅವಳಿಗೆ 2 ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಾನು 2 ತಗೋತೀನಿ.
Okay.
I will be having even number of pens.
Yes.
She will be also having even number of pens. So like that ಆತರ ಸರ್.
ವೇಟ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. A ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್.
ಅದೇ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಸರಿ ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಫಸ್ಟ್?
21A ಬಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 147 by 21 ಎಷ್ಟು?
7
ಹೆಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
21A ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು.
x plus 2x ಇವಾಗ
ಸೊ 7 plus 7 is 14 ಹಂಗ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನೀನು.
ಹಂಗಾಗಲ್ಲ.
plus 7
A ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತೈತಾ? ಇವಾಗ ಸಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 4 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಹಾಕ ಫಸ್ಟ್.
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ 60.
Fine. See, say that say you are writing that is to do. You have to work it out. That if you cannot do, I will do it. This is.
ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ.
ಬೇಡ ಸರ್.
You do it, that's.
ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ ಸರ್?
It looks like a puzzle.
ತಪ್ಪು ಸರ್, ಪಕ್ಕಾ ತಪ್ಪು.
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಝೀರೋ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ.
No, that's why we have to check it out. We have to prove also. A person X wants to distribute some pens among 6 children A, B, C, D, E and F. Fine, that's okay. Distribute some pens. Distribute, equal distribution is not there. Some distribution is there. Suppose A gets twice the number of pens received by B. So A gets, you write like this. A gets what? Twice the number of pens received by B. It means 2B, right? 3 times that of C. 3 times that of C. 3C you can take. 4 times that of D. It means 4D you can take. And 5 times that of E. 5 times that of E. And equal 6 times that of F or 6F. Right. This is the thing. Suppose each one gets an even number of pens is required. I think information is sufficient, but we are finding a little more time. No?
Sir, ಬಂದು sir.
Yes, what?
20, 60, 40, 30, 24, 20.
Yes. What is A gets?
So 120.
A gets 120. No?
ಸರಿ ಸರ್, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್.
I will written like the equation here based on the information.
So 294 ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಈಗ
No, it is not there. 300 is there. Each one gets in an even number. Odd number, why odd number is possible? You have to break the pen. That's why it's like that.
ಹಂಗಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. If she has 3 pens, then odd
Like,
number of pens.
even then you can say that, see, there are 6 people are there. Even 6 odd numbers also can be converted to the even number also.
So each individual should have.
Each individual should have, that's what he says, that each one should get even number of pens. Even I have forgotten. Yes, that's what we are telling. Each one gets even number of pens. Somebody should help me out now. Even I have forgotten. Some cracking point is there. See, 147 you can take if we get some idea of 6, it means 6 we can take 75, 204, 150, 75. Some cracking, so much of work is not required. Actually, if you look at it, see,
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು?
3C,
ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ?
6F. some cracking point. Where cracking point? So much work is not required. Where exactly we get the cracking point here? You can see 10. See, you can see 11, 15, 18, 20. 20 means what will happen here? You can see 20. If it's 20 means 6. Take 120. 120 is equals to what? 60 into 2 equals 40 into 3. 4 means 30 into 4, and next is what? 5 means what you can say? 24 into 5. 6 means you can take 20. 20 into 6. This is 120 into 1. 1 it means 120 plus 60 plus 40 plus 30 plus 24 plus 24. Total is what? 0, 0, 0, 4. 294 will get, no?
Sir.
But see, we don't see the option there.
204, 294.
But we have to check it out. But 204 is there. 204. But actually, this is correct. This is. If you look at that, is everybody will get even number only. Anyway, I'll put this question. Let's see the options. You mark the question there. You mark the question, because I only typed all these questions. This is. You put the question mark there. Which is the question number? This is 14. No? Okay. Let us check the 14. Sometime tomorrow we will see that. Next you can see. What is the sum of first 20 odd natural numbers? What is the sum of first 20 odd natural numbers? It means what? 1 sum of, no? This is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus first 20 odd natural numbers. 20 means which one will happen here? 5, 7, 9, 11, 30, 20 into 2, 40, 39 you can take. Right.
Yes, sir.
Or
294 sir.
Yeah, let me check that. You put the question mark for that. I will see that.
Sir, first 20 natural numbers, sir.
Yeah, 20, sum of 20 odd natural numbers.
Odd natural numbers.
Odd natural numbers, like you can take 20 square, 400. Because 39 is
1 to 19, no, sir. 1 to 19.
Only odd numbers you are taking. Only odd numbers. So if there are 20 odd numbers, means 40 numbers you have to take. 40 is the even number. So up to 39 you can take. That is consecutive numbers are like that. Odd numbers. 1 is odd number, 2 is even number. Odd, even, no? Right. This is the one thing. I will tell you the concept also, and see that some of the odd numbers. This is the 1 plus 3. Sum of two numbers is what? 4. This is equals to what? 2 square. And 1 plus 3 plus 5 is what? 9 is equals to 3 square. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, 16 is 4 square. See here, this is a rule, formula this is. Like sum of 2 odd numbers is 2 square, sum of 3 odd numbers is 3 square, sum of 4 odd numbers is 4 square. Sum of 20 odd numbers is 20 square, is a 400.
For first 20 even also, sir.
Yes, that also you can do it. Or this also can. This also should be known to you. CSAT point of view. That's why. Like that. Sum of 2 odd numbers is equal to 2 square. Sum of 3 odd numbers is equal to 3 square. Sum of 4 odd numbers is equal to 4 square. Sum of 5 odd numbers is equal to 5 square. In the same way, sum of 20 odd numbers is what? 20 square is a 400. Either you can do this or that also. Even 39 plus 1, 40. 40 by divided by 2. 20 into 2, 400. Yes, right. Next one. Next. And very simple one you can do it. This is 91 plus 92 plus 93 plus 110 is equal to what? I think you can know that is no, like first number from the beginning and first number from the last by 2 you will get what? It means what? 91 110 201 by 2. How many numbers will happen here? 90, 10, there are 20 numbers. 10 means 10 you can take. 2010, option B. Option B. Yes, next. Right.
Into 20 or multi, sir?
Because there are 20 numbers, no? 91 to 110. 91 to 110. 101 to 110 is 20. Right. Yes, next one. This is a very simple question. The product of two numbers is 231 and one number is 21. What is the second number? The product of two numbers is 21 and one number is 21. What is the second number? What is this? Is like x into y. Two numbers. By you can take x or y. So what happens? 231 divided by 21. Right. What? This is 11. Option C. Product of two numbers is 231 and one number is 21. Or you can write like this: x into y into one number is given a into question mark. That's all. That's all. X into y is 231 by 21.
231 by 21.
Yes, 231 by 21. So 11 is the answer. Next, the product of two positive numbers is 1152. If one number is 2 times the other, what will be the sum of the two numbers? No information is provided. Okay, the product of two numbers is 1152. You can take a into b. 1152, product of two numbers. If one number is 2 times the other, there are two numbers. One number is 2 times the other. How do you write? You can take one number is, let us say, x. Another number you can take twice, it means 2x. Is equals to what? 1152. It means you can take now x into 2x, 1152, and 2x square is 1152, and x square is equals to 1152 by 2. It means x square is equals to what? 576. X equals root 576. X value is what? 24. X value is 24. So x is 24. 2x is what? 48. These are the numbers, 24 and 48. And what will be what is the sum of the two numbers? 72. Sum of the two numbers is 72. Yeah, did you get this one? It is running out? Okay. So we shall close it. We'll see these questions tomorrow then, balance questions. Option 72 is right one. Yeah, we'll see tomorrow.